The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement took effect on Friday for the Philippines, marking the RCEP agreement in effect for all 15 members. The agreement has been widely expected to boost the economic integration among its members.
Bueno, el RCEP es hoy el acuerdo de cooperación económica más grande del mundo por el tamaño de sus economías. Ha fortalecido la integración económica entre sus países miembros, lo cual muy probablemente reditúe en garantizar a su vez el sostenimiento del crecimiento regional en un contexto internacional turbulento, digamos, con cambios que hace mucho tiempo que no se veían.
Integration of RCEP countries, it will not only provided an attraction to the European economy, but also some other countries which are interested, because at international level this cooperation was lauded by many countries, and that appeals different states to be a part of such kind of a cooperation, and it will definitely give a benefit to Chinese economy as well, global economy.
The RCEP agreement was signed in November 2020. It went into force on January 1st, 2022 for China and 9 other countries. The rest of the signatories implemented the trade deal in the following months after ratification. The Philippines was the last country to ratify the FTA deal, which eases market access to countries including 10 ASEAN members, China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand.